Bonjour French chic ladies. If you feel overwhelmed by the state of your closet, in this video today I am giving you 5 tips to declutter your closet now and forever. If you are new to my channel, a big welcome to you. Please subscribe, click on that little bell, click like and share with your many friends. Thank you. Do you feel overwhelmed by the state of your closet? Do you despair at ever having it tidy, organized and clutter-free? Well, in this video today, I am going to share with you 5 tips, well really 5 techniques that will help you to declutter your closet and keep it that way forever. The first one can be a game, an exercise, or even a challenge, depending on how you wish to do this. Get yourself a timer, or your phone if you like, set it up to 5 minutes, and arm yourself with a basket, a box, a bag, and whiz through your closet, putting as many items in this as you can, and those items you know you no longer want. So put them all in there, and go as fast as you can in those 5 minutes. You can also, of course, if you wish, take it up a notch, put the timer to 15 minutes, but still go fast. The thing is to go as fast as you can, because by going as fast as you can, you don't have to think about excuses why you may want to keep that item, okay? So the speed is of the essence. Go as fast as you can, fill up your box, your basket, or even more of them, and see what you get at the end, okay? The second tip or technique that will help you to declutter your closet is a very simple one, and really something that I have been doing. And you can do that if you enjoy, not just for your closet, but also for the whole house. So what is it? Is remove 1 item off your closet a day. Imagine. And it's such a simple tip, and of course, everything that's simple, I love, and this is always something I teach because simple always works. But, you remove just 1 item per day. Imagine at the end of the year, that will be 365 items you will have removed from your closet or bedroom or house or garage. Just imagine the possibilities, and it's usually nothing much, just 1 item. Because, I think we vastly underestimate how many items we have in our closet, in our wardrobe, in our home. Okay, we think 365 items. I don't have 365 items in my wardrobe. Of course you have. That sock that's been hiding in the corner of that drawer. Why isn't it in that bag, in that basket? An old scarf you never wear and it's a little bit, no longer good. Or any little piece like that. An old necklace that is broken, or maybe a pair of ties or a pair of pantyhose that you no longer wear because it's too thick, too thin. Or they're laddered, anything like that. Or things you actually know you no longer want. Okay, 1 item per day. How simple is that? How easy is that? You can do it. Will you do it? Let me know in the comments below. If you are very serious about tidying, decluttering and organize your closet, my best-selling book, The Tidy Closet, will help you with that. It is filled with tips, techniques, how-tos and everything else on how to do just that. And of course, you can upgrade into the Tidy Closet e-course. My third tip or technique to help you declutter your closet is this basket. This is a box, a basket. You can use anything, any container that you wish to do this exercise. Put this in your closet, outside your closet, on the corner of the bedroom, depending on how you store your clothes. Some people have a full closet, some people have just a big wardrobe with a few chest of drawers. So put it where it is the most practical for you, and that will help you to put in the items you no longer want as you go past. Oh, this thing, why isn't it in there? Why have I still got that? I haven't worn it for decades. Put it in there. And really, this will also help you and remind you to remove one item per day. Okay? Will you do it? Let me know in the comments below. In this fourth tip or technique, this is more about a way to think, mindset, some guideline to adopt, and which is very much, as French women, we have adopted that for decades. And of course, this is less is more, you see. In this case, the fewer clothes you have, the more space you have, okay? So try to declutter and you will get more space. More space for, not so much more clothes, but better clothes. So think about that one, okay? Less is more. Less clothes means more space. Less clothes means better clothes. What do you think of that one? Let me know in the comments below. My fifth tip or technique for you today in this video is about an exercise. It's about a visualization, really. So what you need to do is take about a few minutes, 5 minutes, just to close your eyes and think about the woman you really want to be, the woman you are inside, the woman you wish to become, or the woman you wish or you aspire to be. Okay? So close your eyes, think about that. Do you actually see her in your mind? Now you can see her. Describe in your mind, or even a style journal, once you have reopened your eyes, what is she wearing? How is she dressed? Try to really see her very well, describe her in every detail. And the details of what she wears, how she stands, and how she walks. Then, go through your closet and pick out all the items that do not fit the new you. Okay, so you could use again one of these baskets or boxes. Go through your closet, okay, and see, okay, would the new me wear this? No. Would the new me wear this? No. Would the new me wear this? Oh, yes, she would. Really nice. So keep it in there. What about this? Yes, I think she would. Oh, yes, definitely. It's definitely, really smart and glamorous and elegant. And this, nope. This, ripped jeans. Oh, my gosh, nope. All this kind of thing. So please let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. Please let us know in the comments below what you think of these 5 tips or techniques. Do you already know them and apply them? If not, are you going to apply them from now on? Because I tell you something, if you start applying each of them, they will not only help you declutter right now, but will help you maintain this decluttered closet now and forever. Thank you very much for watching. It was Marianne Lecker, author of The Tidy Closet. À bientôt!